when you're transitioning to the sales career, what questions should you be asking yourself to find out whether this could be a great career for you? Sometimes sales gets a bad whack. People are like, "Oh, I don't want to do sales because it's not. I don't want to do Salesforce because I don't want to do sales." And I'm like, it's not all sales. But if you do want to go to that sales track, what questions should you be asking yourself?
What a great question. So I actually try to talk people out of sales a lot of the times because it's different, right? And I think I remember once when someone's like, "Hey, I think you'd be really good at sales." I'm not picking on anybody that's ever done car sales. That's a hard job. But like that's kind of where I thought of like, no, I don't want to be the person that's doing that. I mean, I think especially in technology sales, we have the opportunity to help organizations solve really complex problems. So do you like to be a problem solver? I think is one of those. Like, do you like to have organizations help solve problems? Are you competitive? Because you know what? You're always going to be going up against a competitor, either a company like Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, all fantastic companies, or a lot of times there's internal projects where they're trying to decide, hey, are we going to do this investment with Salesforce or should we go invest in somewhere else? And so thinking about the kind of having that competitive at nature. You know, I think a lot of people are like, all salespeople are type A. I don't believe in that, right? Like, I believe that some of the most successful people aren't like the extrovert or the person going out always being, you know, in their face or this, and this. But I think, do you want to do that? The other thing is, I think some of the best salespeople, they have that growth mindset. Like they're always curious. They're always learning. Are you interested on how organizations go to market? How are you interested on how organizations make money? Like, do you love to kind of understand what's going on with different industries and what those trends are and being able to do that? So, are you excited about problem solving? So I think so those are some of the questions that you'd have to ask yourself. And then also like, are you okay with rejection? Because you know what? You get rejected a lot. It's like, college was the best training for me in the world because I got rejected all the time in college, right? But then it was being able to do that. But are you able to overcome obstacles? And when people say no, be like, okay, that's okay, not take it personally, but then figure out how to take that no or that objection and overcome it.